Google stock is dropping fast. Is it the right time to buy? Watch this. Hello everyone. Welcome to Simon's channel, whereby we look at financial impacts and implications of the upcoming issues. Kindly do subscribe. Take a minute to subscribe. Thank you. Google stock is dropping hysterically. And what is this ride or the bear market all about? As you can see on the chart, the Google stock, it is dropping hysterically. A bear market of almost 20% decline from the recent highs. The chart shows a clear downward trend, 5 to 10% recently. Indicates investor sentiment weakening. Not necessarily that there is business collapse, but it shows investor sentiment is weakening. This is often driven more by the expectations than the actual earnings. Of course. So, why is Google stock sliding? According to the business drivers, there is a lot of AI pressure and AI competition. Rising threats from the Microsoft OpenAI integration and OpenAI like the ChatGPT ecosystem. This risk, Google's core search dominance may weaken, and so for the financial implication, future ad revenue growth is at uncertainty. Number 2, ad revenue sensitivity, whereby Google it earns about 75 to 80% from advertising. If global economy slows, it means that business cut ad budgets. Google revenue will slow quickly. This makes the stock cyclical, even though it's a tech giant. So definitely the ad sensitivity is a major one. There is high expectations already priced in, whereby with a PE of 23 to 25, markets expect a strong AI monetization and a continued cloud growth. If results disappoint, definitely the stock drops faster, and so for Google, it's not an option. It must drop very fast because of high expectation already in the priced, with a PE of 23 to 25. The market expects a strong AI monetization and a continued cloud growth. Regulatory risk, ongoing antitrust pressure, that is between the United States of America and the European Union. There is a risk of fines, forced business changes, and in a long-term margin, pressure risk. So financial strength and why investors still consider buying. Why are investors still consider buying Google stock despite its dropping hysterically? So there's a massive cash reserve whereby more than $100 billion range historically. Dominant business, there is about search, about the Google search, and also the YouTube, and also the Google Cloud. It's fast growing. High margins versus the most companies. And remember, this is not a weak company, just a repricing story. So is it time to buy the Google stock because it has already dropped? So investment in an investment perspective way, the bull's case, why are the bulls buying Now, buying during fear and the correction phase, and also strong long-term AI positioning. Crowd plus YouTube still growing, discount versus recent highs. And the strategy is accumulation and not lump sum. And for the beer case, be very careful because we talk of cashing a foreign knife. There is AI disruption and it's real, it's not a hype. Stock may not have bottomed yet because the rate at which the Google stock is dropping, it may not have, bottomed yet. It seems like it can continue dropping more. And also macro, there is interest rates and recession risks. It is still uncertain. So for a smart investor strategy, or practically for a smart investor, if you are considering entering into the Google stock, either to buy or to sell, it is always advisable. Use dollar cost averaging. That is, buy in phases, weekly or monthly. Watch key signals, that is AI product rollout success, and also ad revenue growth, also crowd profitability. They will really help you in investing wisely. So let's always remember that this is not a collapse, it is a strategic re-evaluation. And so, market is asking, can Google dominate the AI era like dominated search? And it goes by, if yes, current dip is an opportunity. And if no, long-term pressure remains. Thank you.